These are our pita mini pizzas. And this is our tortilla pizza. This is what we're left with. Let's give it a try. First, one of our mini pita pizzas. That's delicious. What can I say? Let's try one of the tortilla pizzas now. Here we go. Wow. That is both crispy and soft at the same time. Welcome back to another episode of Penny Kitchen Cooks. For our mini pizzas, the first thing we need to do is make our sauce. So here we go. One of my favorite store-bought sauces is Tortilla, and I got this directly from their website. So I adapted a little bit to what I need for my kitchen and my taste. So here we go. First of all, we have, of course, tomato puree, or passata, if you will. Next, we have, of course, our basil and oregano, dried onion, dried garlic, and a bit of sugar, salt, and black pepper. Now, if you want this on the thicker side, all you have to do is use less of this, but I'm going to use the whole bottle, and I'm not going to obviously use all of this tonight. I'm going to freeze it. So here we go. And into that, we're going to add, of course, our basil and oregano, followed by our onion, then our garlic, and then our remaining salt, sugar, and black pepper. Next, all I have to do is give everything a quick stir. What I love about this recipe is that you don't have to heat it up. You just mix everything together. But the key thing is, as soon as we finish mixing everything together, we do have to let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Better if you leave it in the fridge overnight, but this will be good in about 15 minutes. This is already smelling fantastic. And if I hold this up, this is what we're left with. So now we just have to wait 15 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes. Our sauce is ready. It's looking delicious. So now all we have to do is prepare our mini pizzas. So first, this is what I'm using. I've got a pita bread that I've already split in half. I've got some pepperoni ready to go. And I've got a tortilla here that we'll use. And I've got a beautiful blend of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. So let's plate it up and then go to the air fryer. First, let's start with our pitas. Take one side of a pita that I've split in half. Let's go ahead and add some of our sauce. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, let's go ahead and do the same thing for our tortilla. Alright, once we get our sauce spread evenly, set that to the side. Next, let's add our cheese. That's looking pretty good for our tortilla. Now, for our pita bread. Once our cheese is spread on, next we'll just add whatever toppings of your choice you choose. In this case, I'm using pepperoni. So here we go with our pepperoni. We'll just add it around. So that's what it looks like for our pita bread pizza. Next for our tortilla. And that's what we're left with. Next, I'll see you at the air fryer. Alright, so I've already got my two air fryers lined with parchment paper. Here's the other one, as you can see. Alright, so first we're going to put it into the air fryer for the larger pizza into the larger compartment, for the two smaller ones into the smaller compartment, both of which are going to go in for about 10 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade or about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So here we go, and let's get started. And now those are both set, So here we go. See you in about 10 minutes. All right, let's check in on these. As you can see, if I hold that up, that's got nice and melted. And these have as well. So now we're just gonna finish them off. I'm going to put them back in at about 180 degrees centigrade or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So here we go. Now that's set, here we go. These are our pita mini pizzas. Let's go ahead and put them on the chopping board. And this is our tortilla pizza. Let's go ahead and put that on the chopping board as well. This is what we're left with. Now let's go ahead and slice it up and give it a try. All right, now that we've sliced everything up, this is what we're left with. Let's give it a try. First, one of our mini pita pizzas. That's delicious. What can I say? That is cheesy, that is savory, that's got some wonderful pizza sauce. It's just everything you want. Let's try one of the tortilla pizzas now. Here we go. Wow, that is both crispy and soft at the same time. This came out amazing. All I gotta say is give it a try. And if you enjoy this, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Any Kitchen Cooks.